Assalamu alaikum. Hi dear students, welcome to my lecture. I am KMSI.IslamicTV, I lecturer of Scholars School and College. Dear students, today I will teach you Islam and Moral Education, Class 5, Chapter 1, Short Questions. Some important creative short questions with answers. In this lecture, I will discuss 10 short questions, creative short questions with answers. And in the next lecture, I will discuss from 11 to 22 number SQ, creative short questions. So let's start. Some important creative short question with answers. Number 1. What is Aqaid? Answer. Aqaid means the firm belief in regard to Allah is one, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah's prophet, the divine book, angels, akhirah, the heaven and the hell are termed as aqaid. So students, go to next questions. Number 2. What is wahi? Answer. The medium which has been used by Allah to educate the prophets and messengers is known as wahi or revelation. 3 number questions. What do you mean by Al-Asma'ul Husna? Answer. The most beautiful names of Allah are called Al-Asma'ul Husna, such as Allahu Ghafurun, Allahu Halimun, Allahu Khaliqun, etc. You know, students, that there are 99 names of Allah without Allah word, and with Allah word there are 100 names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We'll have to memorize that. They will be very useful for us in our daily life. Anyway, question number 4. How can we become noble human beings? Answer. Acquiring some noble virtues of Allah, we can become noble human beings, such as Allahu Ghafurun, Allahu Halimun, Allahu Khaliqun, etc. Number 5. How can we build our character? Answer. We can build our character through imbibing the qualities of Allah. Imbibing means installing, setting the qualities of Allah. Such qualities as Allahu Ghafurun, Allahu Halimun, Allahu Khaliqun, etc. There is look at matters. I have used in these 3 questions same Asmaul Husna, so that it will be easy for you to memorize and to understand. Okay. And then 6 number questions. How will we lead our life? Answer. We will lead our life in accordance with the commands of Allah. How will we lead our life? That means how we will live in this world. We will lead, or we will live in this world in accordance with the rules, regulation or commands of Allah. Number 7. What is Tawheed? Answer. Tawheed is the belief in Allah as He is one and single. He has no partner. Tawheed means oneness. Students, Tawheed means oneness. That means Allah is one. We'll have to believe in one Allah. That means Allah is one. Allah has no partner. If anyone will attributes partner with Allah, then he is mushrik. That means we will have to believe in Allah as one and single, as we can get Tawheed in Surah Tawheed or Surah Ikhlas. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. In this surah, Allah described He is one and alone. He has no partners. Okay, this is the authentic proof of the Holy Quran. Allah is one, and for that we will have to believe in one Allah. Okay, that means Tawheed is the belief in Allah as He is one and single. There is no partner. This is the Tawheed. Number 8. What is Rissalah? Answer. Rissalah, Arabic word. Everybody know, students. Rissalah, Arabic word. It means message or news. Message or news or letters. Rissalah means message, news or letters. It also means conveying or carrying a message or information. The work or responsibility of a messenger is called Rissalah. Okay, that means we understand that Rissalah means message, news or letters. It also means conveying or carrying a message or information. Okay, and then 9 number question. Who are Nabi, prophets and Rasul, messengers? That means Nabi means in English prophets, and Rasul, this is Arabic word, it English meaning messengers. Okay, Nabi here will be singular, messengers will be singular. Okay, Nabi and Rasul. Nabi and Rasul. Nabi and Rasul. Okay. Answer. Among Nabi, here will be A. Among Nabi or Rasul. Among Nabi and Rasul. Sorry. Among Nabi and Rasul, those who got divine books from Allah are called messengers or Rasul. Messengers or Rasuls. Rasuls or Rasul. Rasul. On the other hand, those who did not get divine books are called Nabi or prophets. That means among Nabi and Rasul, those who got divine books, they are called Nabi plus Rasul, and among Nabi Rasul, those who did not divine book, they are only called Nabi. For example, our great prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Nabi and Rasul also, because Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam got divine book, last revealed heavenly book, the Holy Quran. That's why he is Nabi and Rasul. Understand? And such others, many prophets, those who did not get divine books, such as Hazrat Yusuf alayhi wasallam, did not get divine books. After that, he is Nabi. Okay. And then go to last number questions, students. 10 number. Who will ask 3 questions to the dweller of the grave? It's a matter of akhirat. Okay. When person will die, He will be kept in the grave. Grave means qabr. Okay, in Arabic language, qabr or makbar, in English the grave. That means in the grave 3 questions will be asked to the dweller. That means the person who will be kept after death, that person will be asked. So who will, that means 2 angels named Munkar and Nakir. 2 angels will ask 3 questions, Munkar and Nakir. Okay, will ask 3 questions to the dweller of the grave. So students, you are requested to visit my next lecture, short question number 11, from 11 to 22. Okay, thanks and best wishes, KMSI.IslamicTV. Students, thank you very much for visiting and for being here with me. So I hope that you all will memorize these questions properly. Okay, and then if you have any problem, call me over telephone. Inshallah, I will try to solve your problem. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.